Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE postpones today's Class 10 and 12 board examinations across Middle East centers in Bahrain, Iran, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and UAE, citing current regional situation. Fresh dates to be announced. Exams from 5th March onwards under review from 3rd March. Students advised to stay in touch with schools and follow official updates. Directorate of School Education Kashmir orders closure of all government and recognized private schools in Kashmir Division on March 2nd to 3rd, 2026. Postpones reopening up to Class 8 amid Pakistani drone intrusions along LOC in Poonch. Classes and exams suspended with fresh schedule to be announced. CBSE declares DRQ 2026 Tier 1 results for 124 vacancies in Group A, B and C posts, including Assistant Secretary, Assistant Professor, Superintendent and Junior Assistant. Category-wise cutoffs released. Shortlisted candidates to appear for Tier 2 exam with dates to be notified soon. Kerala Infrastructure and Technology for Education launches Kite Q-Track QR code-based mobile app to secure plus to board exams from 5th March 2026, enabling real-time question paper tracking, answer script dispatch monitoring and multi-level digital oversight as part of statewide end-to-end exam automation drive. NTA releases CUET PG 2026 city intimation slips for exams scheduled on 8th March, 9 and 10. Candidates can download from exams.nta.nic.in/CUET-PG to check allotted exam city, date, and subject details ahead of CBT across 157 subjects. Admit cards to be issued separately. Delhi High Court stays Delhi government's 1st February 2026 order mandating formation of school-level fee regulation committees in private schools under the Delhi School Education Act, 2025, SLFRC Constitution kept in abeyance till 12th March hearing, schools to charge 2026 to 27 fees at previous year's rates. The Kerala Board postpones 5th March SSLC, Class 10, and March 5th to 7th, 2026, plus 2 examinations at Gulf centers amid escalating West Asia tensions following the Iran-Israel conflict. Over 1,000 students impacted while exams in Kerala and Lakshadweep continue as scheduled. Revised dates to be announced after review. Education Minister advises affected students to apply through school heads to the Director of General Education for case-by-case relief. Directorate of Education, Delhi, begins 2026 to 27 admissions to Delhi Sarvodaya Vidyalayas from 2nd March for nursery to Class 1. Only permanent Delhi residents eligible to apply till 16th March with priority for students living near the school. Lottery on 20th March. Selected students list to be displayed on 23rd March. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.